ABB's magnetic NEMA contactors provide high performance with flexibility and reliability, designed to match numerous applications including switching of resistance heating, capacitor circuit loads, and controlling AC motors. To demonstrate the device's flexibility, this video will show the viewer how to install auxiliary contacts onto a NEMA 305 contactor. Aux contacts make it easy to control accessory equipment such as indicating lights or control sequencing of other motor starters. Each contact block is marked with its functionality as normally open or normally closed, and the terminals are not interchangeable. In this example, we'll be adding a contact block with the configuration of one normally open and one normally closed. In order to add the aux contact, we first need to remove the coil assembly. To do that, remove the clip from the plunger by pressing up and back on the clip. Next, release the coil retainers by pulling up. Grab by the sides and lift up to remove the coil and the movable coil assembly. Remove the finger safeguard or guards from the side you'll be adding the aux contact to. For this example, we'll remove both to demonstrate installation of the aux contact on either side of the contactor. Position the aux contact so that the terminals are pointing up and you can see the terminal markings. Align the metal bracket on the aux contact with the slots on the contactor base and slide into position. Place the coil and assembly back into contactor. Reposition the coil retainers by lifting up and aligning with the coil. Place the plunger back into position and reinsert the clip. Press on the contactor a few times to test that it can be activated, ensuring smooth operation.